there, my name is Dolores Van den Bogart and I am going to show you all about Norwex's Enviro Cloths. We're going to first start with the 4 ways that Norwex's microfiber is different than anything that you can buy out there. Then I'm going to show you some demos about how Norwex's products work, also how you can color coat your home, and we're going to wrap up with some care tips. So let's get started. So first of all, how micro are the fibers? Store-bought microfiber and microfiber that has microfiber written on the packaging needs to be split to a minimum of 1/6 the size of a human hair. Norwex's microfiber is a minimum of 1/200 the size of a human hair. So if I were to unravel this one cloth of string straight, I could reach from Canada to the Gulf of Mexico. That's how many kilometers are in one of our Enviro cloths. The other thing that makes it different is the fact that these cloths, because they are so micro, that they have the ability to remove 99% of all bacteria from a surface just by using water, so long as the products are cared for properly. So I'm going to teach you that at the end. So the other thing that I love about Norwex's products is whether you love cleaning or whether you actually really don't enjoy cleaning at all, these cloths can reduce your cleaning time by up to 75%. And the 4th thing that makes Norwex's cloths fantastic is a little hidden treasure. These cloths are embedded with silver. We know that bacteria can't grow on silver. So these cloths have silver embedded right into the fibers. And one thing that a lot of people don't realize is that Norwex's cloths are actually made out of plastic. So in each of these Enviro cloths is 2 to 5 recycled plastic water bottles. That's right. So we are reusing products and turning them into something functional. So we can reduce, reuse, and recycle. And after you've used your Enviro cloths for a number of years, you can actually give them back to your consultant and they will be melted down and made into new cloths. So a question that I'm often asked is, can the silver launder out of Norwex's Enviro cloths? The answer to that is absolutely not. When these cloths are plastic in a liquid state, that's when the silver is added. So I don't know about you, but I sure can't get cream out of coffee. So that's the same analogy I like using for my customers with Norwex's Enviro cloths. The silver is embedded when it's in a liquid state, and then it's extruded into our very micro fibers. Norwex's cloths come in 5 different colors so that you too can color code your home. I like the earth tone colors for in my kitchen. Grab a fresh cloth every other day. In your bathroom, you want to allocate a cloth to your bathroom. Seriously, this is the best time saver ever. If you just have it hanging in there, you can use it for wiping up any spray that's on your mirror, wiping around your sink or around your faucet, drying out your sink. But the best trick is actually hanging it over your shower. That after you get out of the shower, you just quickly chamois down the walls. You don't have to dry it. Just quickly knock down some of the moisture with this cloth and your surfaces will stay transparent, streak-free, and shiny. Another suggestion, because you can't bleach these cloths, allocate one cloth for dirty jobs, outside windows, patio furniture, wiping down the barbecue, anything that you know will stain your cloths. You're gonna wanna know which color you're using that for. So at our house, the blue cloth is for dirty jobs, anything that we know is gonna stain. So pick your favorite colors for the kitchen and separate it accordingly. So when you're going to use Norwex's Enviro cloth, it's important that you make it wet just with water, fold it in half as many times as possible, and wring it out to get all the water out of the properties of your microfiber spokes. Next, you need to be a little bit more dignified with Norwex. You need to actually use the cloth flat folded. So when you use it flat folded, I'm just going to take some butter and I'm going to smear this butter on my microwave and then effortlessly remove it with Norwex's Enviro cloth. So there's some butter, and I can take this Enviro cloth. It doesn't need to be hot, it just needs to be wet with water, and it effortlessly removes the butter from the surface. I could then continue going on, and I can wipe the rest of the stovetop and clean the entire counter, even granite countertops, with using Norwex's Enviro Cloth, even after I've wiped up the butter. The butter gets trapped into the properties of the microfiber, which is an amazing way to clean your home, to protect your health so that you won't have to inhale, ingest, or absorb any harmful chemicals. So one thing that's really important is that you care for the investment when you purchase these cloths. So I have a couple things that I tell my customers. I actually give my customers a little magnet to stick to their washing machine so they know how to take care of their products. But on here I say that you need to wash them in the washing machine and the dryer. I know that for everyday use around the house, you don't submerge our cloths into soapy water. You actually want to avoid the kitchen sink with our cloths. You just use them with water only. But the washing machine has a really good spin and rinse cycle to get all of that soap out. So we want to stick them in the washing machine and throw them in the dryer because Norwex employs static, and that nicely perks up our spokes in the dryer. The other thing is no bleach, no fabric softener, and launder them with lint-free laundry. On occasion, you may need to refresh your cloths a couple times a year, and Norwex has an amazing product called the Laundry Booster. You can use it for your microfiber and many other things around your home. So I hope this video has been helpful so that you can properly take care of your products and enjoy them for many years to come. One really quick tip is when you buy your cloths, write your date on the tags. When the cloths are 2 years old, cut off the tag, the cloth is now a rag. It's still great for those dirty jobs around the house, but if you want to know for sure that your cloth is removing 99% of all that bacteria from a surface, you want to make sure your cloths are less than 2 years old. Enjoy your products and have an amazing day.